All right, tonight we are out here working on the new computer desks for the office. So we've got some 4x8 plywood. We have a useless helper here named Brent. No, I don't want to do this. So we have 4x8 plywood. I'm actually gonna make this 1.5 inches thick, so it's like super durable. So we're gonna sandwich two 4x8 sheets together. We're gonna then cut them to, how wide do you want your desk to be? 6 feet?
60 inches?
60 inches? That's 5 feet.
No.
72 inches
72
by
inches.
32 inches was kind of a deep desk. And then we're gonna laminate it with a Formica top. We bought some sit-stand motorized desks from Monoprice.
Yo, Phil, did you get that rash taken care of that you were talking about?
Probably shouldn't hang out at your house anymore, huh? Yeah. Okay, Monoprice desks. I also have a retainer on my mouth, so I kind of have a list. We got sit-stand desks from Monoprice that we're going to unpack and assemble, kind of show you what the finished product might look like. Okay. Well, we are done for the night, and the GoPro ran out of battery, but we didn't finish everything we wanted to. There were 2 desks that we were making, and we only almost finished one. So, yeah, that's why we didn't finish. Somebody was too slow. Anyway, the bottom desk is just about done. We have the Formica, it's being held together, it's being pressurized, I guess, so the contact cement makes a good bond. But tomorrow or sometime later in the week, we can come through with the, what do you call that thing? The circular saw with the finish blade and make a nice clean edge all the way around. And then I can go buy some more contact cement and get the next Formica piece onto the second desk. You gonna say some shit?
How's the Jeep?
Oh yeah, we got a new Jeep.
Oh!
We're gonna deck this one out in LEDs too.
It's cool, huh?
I like how you're prepared for the work we're doing. Can you not?
Come on, let's do it. Chop chop.
How do you not wear shoes outside?
I'm wearing socks.
That is gross. Let's take a look at what we got going on. Today's what? Today's Wednesday? Oh yeah, we got a lot of stuff out of here. Okay. We're gonna get the supplies out. We are finishing the 2 desks today. We're gonna assemble the sit-stand desks, put our new desks on top, figure out where they're gonna go in the new office. The casters for the bottom are coming tomorrow, so we can't do that today. But maybe we'll get some shiny new desks to play with. All right. All right, Brent, where are we at?
We're at PLED headquarters, homie. What up?
No, as in like progress.
Oh, we're put the laminate on the black top layer of the desk. We're gonna start building those robot machines that lift up automatically. You can clap your hands 3 times. Boom! It's gonna be fancy as F. I allowed to curse on your channel?
Yeah.
And he says, bro.
Right.
Did I get any of that correct?
No, it's okay. We're gonna assemble the sit-stand desks in preparation to mount our new plywood tops. So they're in here somewhere. What do they call when you have this on a track? Look at this. Dude, this is like some pro camera work right here. Look at this. Look at this. All right, we are done for the night, but we're not actually done with our project. We've got one desk finished. So we've got a nice cable tray thing on the back. We've also got a nice power strip that we've attached to the bottom for all our peripherals. And we've got, I think, some butcher block oil on the sides to give it a nice pop. And of course, this works. Yeah. And it's super clean with that cable tray in the back. It makes it look a lot nicer. Look at that. Well, that's a wrap for the night. I still have casters that are coming in the morning or tomorrow, so we'll fit those on tomorrow night. Our other desk is here. The laminate is still drying, or at least we just don't want to mess with it. I want the laminate, the contact cement completely dry before we go to clean up the edges. So I've got a bunch of stuff on top of it to weigh it down, make sure it's making good contact. We've already got the desk assembly put together. So now we've got to clean up and come back tomorrow night. See you next time.